Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Dude. How's it feel?
To be honest, at times I still don't think it's like sunk in yet.
Yeah. Dude.
This is what I've been fucking waiting for.
Yeah. Oh man.
I was tempted to get a motorcycle.
Dude.
This thing's fucking
Oh, me
nice.
too. Dude. Fox body, twin turbo. Oh, this one drove by when we're on the
Oh, yeah.
when we're at Wawa.
Dude, this interior is mint.
That's nice too. Dude, that it literally looks like that's like showroom
That's
quality.
fucking
That literally looks like it just.
Dude, I love Fox bodies.
That's so nice.
And it's manual.
That's nice too. The roll cage.
This is clean too.
Dude, that's nice. That or an S95.
Yeah.
Twin turbo with fat tires in the back. Huh? Or a truck guy. I'm just like not into.
I
Can't get into them. Like they're cool and like they're
physically
nice,
couldn't.
but like
I literally physically couldn't. I love this one every time I see it.
I love the color.
Yeah, it's fucking nice.
I love that purple.
I wish I could afford one of those, but everybody made them like
expensive.
not fun.
Yeah, and
I was like, oh my god.
you get that stigma or whatever that comes with them.
Not doing too well, though.
I don't know, man. Yeah, they're cool, but
Aren't they like seven speed or some shit like that?
I have no idea. All I know is they had the 4-cylinder in them, and nope.
It's got banks.
Should have put the V8 in them.
Jeez, that has to be so uncomfortable. That Mustang group was supposed to be here. I don't know if they are.
Who?
Phantom Mustang.
Yeah, Phantom.
They gave me a sticker to put on my car, but after I got the new one, but I didn't put it on. I just wanted to be like pretty as well.
Yeah. I have sticker like when I bought parts for it, like they send you stickers.
Yeah.
Like I was thinking about putting them on, but I was like,
If anything, it'd be like back, you know, the back windows.
yeah. I'm just like not a big fan of stickers on my cars.
These blue ones over here is nice. It's like California special.
Yeah, I think so. I have no idea. I think that's a V6. The person right there.
Why are you driving through here?
I think that's just a V6. They're gonna drive the whole way down here?
These old Mustangs.
Did you see the red one that was driving down there?
Yeah.
Dude, that was clean. That was a
This
clean one.
this dude that lives down the street from Gia is completely rebuilding one from scratch. Like he got like just the body of it.
Really?
And he's been like sanding it down. He's getting it ready for paint. And he's gonna start doing shit to it.
George, how are you?
How are you?
Hi, how you doing, Lou? That's great. Are you going to get food?
What?
Fucking scooters.
Oh. They zip around. Ooh.
That is crazy.
I always forget his name.
Ooh, I see a,
Cobra.
yeah, Cobra. think I've seen that one before. I don't know. Yeah, isn't that Phantom Things? Those?
I don't know. They be fucking weird sometimes.
Yeah, they just be like chilling by themselves. I don't know.
They're always like, oh, you're always welcome, and they make you feel like
Yeah, yeah. Then like they don't even talk to you or anything.
this is cool.
I wonder if this is a real monochrome.
They're making all kinds of money anyway.
Oh, they have the. Very nice, very nice. And there's the carbon fiber one. Yeah, the other one.
One nice and the next one.
That one's with the Pro Charger on it, or centrifugal.
No. Listen, my shit needs a break. I gotta do it. You're always first. Whose is this?
Is that a Hellcat? I saw the truck. It's a Black Hawk. It's a little older one.
Oh, I love that color. This thing.
The orange?
Yeah, this
Orange
thing's
Fury?
I see it in person.
Oh, it's Borla, that's why.
It's a boy.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure they make dimensions for you to like measure it out and
Yeah,
stuff
when
like
you
that.
pull the old one off, it has a thing where you can cut, or you can just buy the old
Yeah,
ones.
GT500. Oh my gosh, I didn't see that.
What?
The fucking Urus.
Holy shit.
Jeez. Why?
Sometimes they look super bad.
Yeah, if you don't do stuff to them, I don't think they look good. But like,
There's stuff done.
although like,
I still think my all-time favorite is your dad's old one.
yeah, he didn't have anything.
Yeah.
As long as you put like a good meat tire in the back and like good
I think
cars in
that's
the
what I
back or a
think
good
it's the
wheel.
fucking drags. in the
Yeah,
back that
I mean
makes
that
it
changed it a lot.
Oh.
Look at that red eye. Is
That's nice. Hard match.
Lamborghini Urus is cool.
How much are those things go for?
Lamborghini Urus,
Yeah.
200,000. Yeah, they're quick though. Although they're pretty close with like a Trackhawk.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're pretty neck and neck. Oh, there's I remember those two.
Oh, yeah, that thing.
Those insane ones.
It's like a feast. Is that your cousin?
Oh. Look, he doesn't even want. Hey, German means that way, bud.
Hey, yo!
What's up?
What's up, Gazelle?
I heard the Supra. I was on my house and I heard you pass by. I was like, I think that's
you
the
saw
Supra.
it? Yeah.
I think that's the Supra.
Fucking go to each other.
Hey, it's looking good.
Yeah, Mark did drive his own car.
Hit that. Doesn't send it, don't hear that supercharger whine, then he ain't driving it right.
was like, the mileage doesn't move. He was like, I don't care.
Oh, he's gonna change all of that.
Yeah, I was like, mileage doesn't care. He's like, I don't care. I said, there's a new motor in it, salvage title.
Yeah.
I don't care.
He's gonna use it as a race car or something, and
Yeah.
he's swapping the motor, he's swapping the transmission. That Jeep sounded good. I don't realize it.
Your car literally ear rapes.
I forget if he hit it.
Yep. Oh, they're about to.
Had the time, and I was like, I don't feel like driving an hour to Atco and like getting like 2 runs in, and it's like $50. Oh, the Camaro went down that way. I gotta get the C8.
I fucking love that car.
Dude. I think I got it and then titled it like fight breaks out at car meet. Dude, that's going viral. Yeah, beat his ass.
Oh, next time I see you, oh. Run his fade.
Yeah, beat his ass, yeah.
Fucking kid.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Stay safe.
Oh, next time I see you, oh. Run his fade.